Hello everyone, today I want to show you Photoshop animation, moving sky. Watch full video and please subscribe my channel. Click select, go to subject, to mark the subject. Now go to select again, this time click sky, to select the sky. Rename both layer, so mark easily. Now go to Smart Object, both layer make Smart Object. Now go to Windows, select Timeline. Click Transform. Now click Ctrl T. Click mouse and select Skew. And follow the process. Now click Ctrl T. Click mouse and select Skew. And follow the process. Click Render the video.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under.
You watch more video like this, please subscribe to my channel.